In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online and manually enter payroll information. If you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher on running payroll manually, you're in the right place. Let's get started on this simple but essential process. First, we're going to log into QuickBooks Online, open your preferred web browser, and head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page at qbo.intuit.com. Enter your login credentials and make sure to double check that they're correct to avoid any frustration logging in. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. Next, we're going to navigate to the payroll menu. On your left-hand side, you should see a panel of menus. Find and click on the one labeled Payroll. This will take you to a dedicated section specifically for handling all your payroll needs. From the Payroll menu, we'll move on to select the Employees section. Click on Employees. Here, you'll see a list of all the employees you manage through QuickBooks. Select the employee for whom you need to process a payment. This step is crucial as it ensures that you are entering payroll information for the correct person. Once you've selected the appropriate employee, it's time to run payroll. Look for options like Run Payroll or Enter Payroll Info. If there's an option for manual unscheduled payroll, be sure to select it. This indicates that you are entering payroll information that doesn't necessarily fit a regular pay schedule, which is what we are aiming to do in this guide. With that set, it's time to enter the paycheck details. This is where accuracy is vital. Start by filling in the pay period and pay date. These are the time span and specific date you are paying your employee for. Then enter any earnings information. This includes hours worked if they are paid hourly, or salary amount if they are salaried, and their specific pay rate. Don't forget to include deductions or withholdings, such as retirement contributions or health insurance premiums. Finally, enter applicable taxes at the federal, state, and local levels to ensure compliance. After filling in all the necessary information, take a moment to review the payroll summary. Verify the gross pay, which is before deductions, the deductions themselves, and the resulting net pay, which is what the employee will actually receive. Double checking this information helps avoid errors which can cause complications for both you and your employee. Once you're confident everything looks correct, proceed to create the paycheck. Click on Create Paycheck or a similar Submit button to record this manual payment. Congratulations, you've successfully recorded the manual payroll entry. The last step is distributing the payment. Make sure your employee receives their due compensation in a timely manner, whether through a direct deposit or a printed check. It's a good idea to confirm that the payment has been received and accounted for to close the loop. And that's it. You've successfully logged into QuickBooks Online and manually entered a payroll payment. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.